Revamping Matter. 5 essential changes for a smarter home in 2025. The Matter standard burst onto the smart home scene a few years back, promising to revolutionize our living spaces by uniting various smart devices under one roof. Imagine a world where your gadgets from different brands could seamlessly communicate with each other. This ambitious initiative was backed by a coalition of major players like Google, Amazon, and Apple, all eager to create a universal communication standard and a new secure connection protocol called Thread. The goal? To simplify our smart home experiences and ensure everything works together harmoniously. However, the journey hasn't been as smooth as we hoped. Matter and Thread have faced significant hurdles, akin to a complex treaty among competing manufacturers, filled with intricate details and unresolved issues. As a result, progress has been sluggish, and the tangible benefits for users have been limited. So, what's the state of Matter in 2025? Unfortunately, it's still struggling in several key areas, and it's high time for a revitalizing boost. Thankfully, the creators of Matter seem to recognize this need for change. Here are 5 crucial areas where Matter must evolve if it wants to win over smart device users. 1. Fixing compatibility issues across brands ***. Matter promised us broad compatibility, allowing users to control devices with their preferred platforms, whether it's Apple Home, Google Home, or Amazon Alexa. Sounds fantastic, right? But the reality often falls short. You might find that a Matter-enabled device works perfectly with Google and Amazon but not with Apple, or vice versa. Sometimes, certain features are available on one platform but not on another, leaving users frustrated and confused. To regain trust, Matter needs to ensure that features are genuinely universal across all apps. The ongoing updates are a step in the right direction, but manufacturers must step up and commit to making this a reality. 2. Moving beyond limited Thread border routers ***. Thread is a fantastic networking protocol that enhances security and energy efficiency, but its adoption has been slow. Many companies have relied on Thread border routers, typically found in hubs like Amazon Echo or HomePod, to connect devices. However, not everyone has these hubs and not all manufacturers support them. What we need are Thread connections that don't depend on these limited routers. Thankfully, we're starting to see progress, with Apple and Google integrating Thread support into their devices, allowing direct connections without a hub. Additionally, Wi-Fi routers with built-in Thread support could simplify connections for everyone, making smart homes more accessible. 3. Streamlining updates for manufacturers ***. For manufacturers, keeping up with Matter and Thread can be a daunting and costly task. Each time they want to update their apps, they often have to go through a lengthy certification process. However, at the start of 2025, the Connectivity Standards Alliance (CSA) announced plans to simplify and reduce the costs associated with testing and certification. This is a game changer, as it allows manufacturers to invest more confidently in Matter and bring new features to users without the hassle of constant recertification. 4. Enhancing multi-admin support for the Big 3 ***. The Big 3, Google, Amazon, and Apple, are at the forefront of the Matter initiative, but they face challenges when it comes to multi-admin setups. Switching between apps like Alexa and Apple Home can be cumbersome, often requiring new authentication steps that disrupt the user experience. Fortunately, Matter 1.4 introduced enhanced multi-admin features, allowing users to switch platforms seamlessly. However, adoption has been slow, and 2025 is the year for these tech giants to fully embrace this functionality. 5. Expanding support for smart home devices, especially cameras ***. Despite its potential, Matter still lacks support for many smart home devices, particularly security cameras and video doorbells. While the standard has promised camera support for some time, the complexity of camera technology across brands has made this a challenging task. As we move through 2025, it's crucial for Matter to prioritize the support, ensuring that users can integrate their security devices into the Matter ecosystem. As we look ahead, it's clear that Matter has the potential to transform our smart homes, but it needs to address these critical areas to truly shine. Keep an eye on the latest developments in smart home technology and explore the best security systems that work with your existing devices. With the right changes, the future of smart homes could be brighter than ever.